And welcome back. My house is shaking a bit. There's like people doing stuff on the road. I think it's like asphalt. I'm not sure, but every time I look outside, there's like a slightly elevated road that's darker. So I assume it's asphalt. But also loot subscription. There's a few things you can do in loot sub. If you see somebody pick their augment, you can actually tell. You can tell what the loot sub gave. When you see someone pick their augment, I mean. So I'm gonna look to do that just in case I get like insta plus ones. So let's say I get like cooking pot. I can have a spat and a pan. Instantly. You get me. Also, I really do like playing Shaco, but I just haven't had the spot for Shaco in a while. TF. I've been playing a lot of TF. Also, whenever I say a lot of something, it means I played it for like more than one game. I don't think I've ever seen a LeBlanc reroll game, but I'm pretty sure like the Veigar LeBlanc reroll thing is like not that bad. I don't know which pair I'm gonna pick up. I don't really want to be selling TF, and I don't really want to sell this guy as well. It's gonna be awkward if I don't get gold. Okay, gold. So nice. Triple paired up. Okay. Now it's pretty important because I can have Exotech +2 here. When somebody picks their augment. I can also... Wait. It's spat. I can have Exotech +2. Should I look for Anima? I could also Pandora's into exactly like Bruiser spat and stuff. Boombot? Oh, Boombot. Okay, GG's. Boombot +2. Okay, so I have Boombot +2. This guy has Street Demon +2. There's 2 Boombot players. Our mid game can be insanely strong with 1 Skarnar or 1 something else. So now we're probably playing Bruisers. I don't really mind slamming Adaptive and IE. Trying to win out the stage. If we get 4 Boombot on our board though, like I'm so sure we just win. I don't even have it paired, so I'm just gonna put it on something else. Pretty sure TF is slightly better. I'm down to start slamming items here. Make a frontline item. I don't think we need to sell him in the backline item. Nice. Not having to make the IE here is pretty big. Boombot. Now since we have the +2, we don't really have to play around specifically Fiddle. But also we can play AP since we're holding the items here. We might need to slam IE. Maybe in this matchup we slam IE. Bruiser. That guy's gonna play Fiddle for sure. We can always sword the Cog Maul. But we'd rather have bow items on Cog. Okay, we're sorting Cog for sure. I don't want to make IE. big ult from the Kane. Nice. We just really want a Skarner. I guess I can hold Jack's pair. I mean, Silas pair. No third spat, please. Skarner. I'm just gonna go for Skarner or Fiddle. I think it spikes my board so hard that there's no reason to not. And I'll just figure out the items later. Like, this rod would really suck right now, but it's fine. Oh, that's not good. I have to go belt. Just lose the game if I go cloak. I guess we can just make guard breaker. Still haven't hit, which is a bit unlucky. Full guard breaker and cog. Still really need the Skarner. It's a bit annoying. Maybe we should play opposite side of this guy. I think we just rolled this guy anyway. Pair it up. Okay, another thing that's like the most important thing ever playing Boombot is Garen. The more Boombots we have, the more we just like insta-win the game. Actually, look, let me... All those are insta-wins. Okay, I'm getting a little bit unlucky. Honestly, if I had a Darius here, I would consider leveling. But we need a lot of money in econ. I really don't want to lose to this guy. Be very nice to not lose to him. I'm making 20. I'm stuck holding everything here, no matter what. Which is fine. I could move all the items to Braum, but it's okay. Okay, should win this. 4 Boozer's pretty strong, but I don't think it's that strong. Especially versus Rapid Fire. Nice, Kane's gonna knock up the Fiddle as well. Skarner, Fiddle, Cho'Gath. My 3 item on Cho'Gath is probably like adaptive. I need money here. A Vagar too. I want to roll for there we go. I guess we just make IE. Time to chain if we need to. AD, may as well. I just wanted four Boombot here just in case we fought the Street Demon guy. Need as much damage on my board as possible. Now, ideally I get an Econ Augment here. If not, Econ Epitaph is like really good, so is Mentorship. Crown Guard's like also kind of good. Ascension. I am mostly frontline. Mentorship is probably better though. Runans? Nah. Like this? Sure. Maybe Skarner toward the outside. Okay, I'm really strong. If I lose, it's just to this guy, I think. I don't lose to anyone else. Last stand. Okay, this guy can get really strong too. He's also Boobot +2. I want to be 9 pretty badly. I think 6 Boombot just fill in legendaries is like really, really good.
Mortality is truly divine.
I want to finish this item, probably Sunfire Cape, and then I want to go for like Dragon Claw on my Cho'Gath. Okay, this guy's Mord 2. Mord 2 spat into combat. I don't think I beat him. I don't think I beat this guy either. Why did he roll? Dude, this guy is such a demon. He leveled and rolled. This is also why I need Sunfire. Like, this thing is hard to beat. He leveled and rolled on 7. Okay, if I beat this, it's just very unlucky. Agreed? I don't think I'm going to be playing versus many people that are making this play that this guy made. Okay, thank God I won. This play is like literally to beat this guy. What this guy just did. I'm very, very lucky that I did. Yeah, you know, I'm pretty lucky. That's insane. If this was a brand, I lost. He like high and low rolled. Do I want to finish a gargoyle? Not really. Okay, I guess I have to. Making gargoyle is awkward because I want Declaw eventually on my Cho'Gath. But I have to slam because there's a chance that I beat the top guy. Which means I probably need to be level 7 here. Do I want to put Senna on the board? It'll just be Senna. All these boards are looking pretty strong. Is he 7? He's 6. This is the only timer I can beat him without like rolling and stuff. Without rolling deeper, I mean. Big heals. Hopefully I do just have more damage. I do. Okay, I rolled him. Which means the other guy beats him. Okay, all my income is my streak, so I need to make sure I keep streaking. But I can't roll. I need a level and roll on 8. Should I be opposite side most of these people? Probably. Opposite side everyone except the anima guy? Yeah. Opposite side Neferi is a little awkward here. I kind of want to put Senna up above Cog, but it'll be a little awkward. Nice playing this guy. We just need Cho'Gath and Fiddle. Or random Urgot on 8. But we're gonna need a pretty stable 8 here. I think we need to hold an extra bruiser for 4 bruiser. It's probably better on Cho'Gath. Extra bruiser. Probably have to level to 8 instantly. 6 Boombot is going to be exactly what we're looking for. So Fiddle and Cho'Gath. Down to roll to like 10. Rod deer.
Darkness to darkness.
What?
Light to light. Got a whole lot of ugly in my sight.
Any Cho'Gath? No Cho'Gath. That's okay. We can play Viego. What do you want to do here? Maybe I'll play Vex later. I don't know yet. I'm gonna wait 1 turn for items because I think I'm pretty strong. Fiddle 2 eventually. We insta spike on a Cho'Gath. I don't know what to do with the items. Item collector health as well. Sparring glove.
Jinx? Stands for Jinx. Die or something. exciting.